Hey, what's up everybody? Joe Simpson here with TechWake TV, bringing you today a battery change on a MacBook Air 13-inch. It's a 2010 to 2015 range MacBook Air. They sell the battery on macsales.com. Most of the time you'll find that you upgrade things when they start to just stop working as efficiently as they used to. And one of the main things that I see myself replacing is the devices based on just battery life. My iPhones over time have lost their battery life, and that's one of the main reasons and one of the biggest things I love when I get a new phone is how long the battery lasts. But that's an easy fix. You don't have to replace the whole computer for something like that. So what I did was I went on Mac Sales and I found a battery for 80 bucks. They rate their skill levels from level number 1 to level number 5. And this was a level number 2. So this is a very easy thing to do on your own, and you might want to try it. There's a sequence at the end that you do to make sure that the battery is going to get maximum life, but I'll cover that too at the end when we go through it. But hang with me, take a look at how easy this is, and give this a consideration for your computer if it has a changeable battery as well. As with anything, you're definitely going to want to read the instructions. There's not that many instructions to this process, but it's good to look at it. So go ahead and start removing the back case on the back panel. Once you loosen the front two tabs on the case, flip it over and then pop the case off the back. Should come right off. Once you get the back panel exposed, you'll see some screws around the perimeter, and I'm going to speed through this because you need a special pentalobe screwdriver to get those off, but it comes in the box with the battery. I like to set a piece of paper to the side and I put the screws in the corresponding locations so I don't forget where they go. Once you get all the screws, the back plane just comes right off the computer. You pull that off, set it off to the side somewhere safe. The battery has screws as well. That screwdriver is also supplied with the battery kit. Once you get the screws off from the battery, you remove the battery connector with the plastic tab as shown here. The battery lifts right out of place, hinges right up, and there's no glue, adhesive, or anything. I went ahead and got a sprayer to clean out the case. Just do the best you can, don't go too crazy, you don't want to break anything or mess anything up. I went ahead and got the new battery, put it in just like the old battery was. It falls right into place. Push in the new connector. I had to do a little pushing with the new wires to make sure that they laid flat. And from here, really the process is just reversed. You put the screws back into the battery. Once everything is seated and back together, you put the back cover back on and start putting the screws on for that. Make sure it's seated properly, put the screws where they go. You will remember that location because you put them on a piece of paper off to the side in the locations on the paper that correspond to the locations on the back of the computer. Once everything's finished, you turn the computer back over and you connect the charger. Now there is a charging sequence, but you need to refer to the Mac Sales video and it tells you exactly how to go through the charging sequence for the battery. Hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.